Greetings everyone! Today I will show you how to create opposite in Infinity Craft. So let us begin. Take earth and wind to create dust. Now combine with a fire to create an ash. Now combine with fire again to create a phoenix. Now take water and earth to create a plant. Now water it and you get a swamp. Now take a fire to create a dragon. Combine them and you get a yin yang. Now take a dust, another dust, create a sand. Fire it, the glass. Glass and glass, create a window. Now combine with a wind, curtain. Now combine it with a dust. First bunny. Now combine them and you have the opposites. So thanks for watching and I will see you later. Bye.